Alright, welcome to another unboxing. I still haven't decided on the name, so I'm not gonna say my name yet, whatever. So yeah, this is item I got on Amazon. You'll see when I open it. I don't know if I need this. Empty. Here's the item. Okay, so I do need this. Okay. I don't know what you call these. Benchmade? Sorry about that. I don't know if it's gonna work or not, but yeah. This is the Benchmade. It's a butterfly knife style comb. Oh, I took that out. So here it is. I like it. It's nice. And it's all metal. So that's nice. It's up like that. It cost me, I don't remember. So I could practice to see, to get better when I do get a actual knife, the butterfly. You can lock it up if you want. Let me see something. Alright. Okay, so that's my unboxing. Right. Subscribe and like if you like. See you.